Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I'm your host Harry. So, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday inaugurated the Statue of Equality in Hyderabad to honor the 11th century Hindu saint Sri Ramanujacharya. However, ahead of inauguration, PM Modi tweeted that the 216-foot tall statue is the fitting tribute to Sri Ramanujacharya, whose sacred thought and teaching inspire us. You can see the PM Modi speech. So, if you want to know about the statue, and the Statue of Equality is made up of 5 metal at 216 feet. It is amongst the tallest metallic statue in the sitting position in the world. This statue is made up of 5 metals: gold, silver, copper, brass, and zinc. It is, I think, in second largest sitting statue in the world. The Statue of Equality is mounted on the 54-foot high building named Badavedi. The building houses a digital library and research center, ancient text theater, and educational gallery detailing the work and philosophies of Sri Ramanujacharya, the Vaishiviti saint advocated social equality. Many consider the propagation of Vasudeva Kutumbakam, the world is one family, his greatest contribution. It is said that the many scholars followed his path and the work of ancient poets like Bhagat Ramdas, Kabir and Mirabai were inspired by him. Many of foreign people are also inspired by him. The entire statue is made by the contribution of many devotional people and cost is around 1,000 crore. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.